Alrighty, now we're inside of Xero. This is what it looks like when you log into your account and actually get inside the software. Your homepage, if you will, it's called the dashboard. I also want to mention that I'm not sponsored or getting paid by Xero to talk about them. It's just genuinely the software that I like to use and the software that I run my business through. So here on the dashboard, kind of has some beginning steps for you to do. It'll typically show your invoices paid. It'll have your bank balances when you connect your bank feeds and whatnot. And you can also edit the dashboard. So if there's something specific you want to put on here, it's pretty easy to do. And one of the great things about Xero, why I like it so much, is it's super user-friendly, very self-explanatory. Like, as you can see, invite a colleague. You know, if you're a partnership and you want, you know, your spouse or someone else to have access, you know, you just click invite a colleague and put their email in, and it sends them an invite. Pretty easy, you know. I mean, that's how the software is all around for the most part, and the main reason I like it so much. So once you get to this page, the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to click right here where it says connect your bank accounts. Right here. Very important. So we're going to give that a click. And then you just search for your bank. You know, they have most banks you could ever think of. You know, just for example, click Chase. Then you click login and connect. And then you'd sign in and it would connect your Chase Bank accounts over to Xero. We could do a different one, for example. Not quite as huge of one. One in the city that I live in is Mountain America. It's a popular one around here. But essentially the same process, a little different. You know, they just for this bank they use Yodlee to connect your bank account to Xero. So you just agree and log into bank, type your information in, and that connects your bank account to Xero. And then once you've done that, at the very end there will be a little spot where it'll say connect your bank feed. Or once you've done that, if you come back to the dashboard, it'll pop up right here and say connect your bank feed. That is also vital. You want to do that. And once you've connected your bank account and connected your bank feed, what that does is it'll automatically import your bank statements. So every time you make a purchase, it'll automatically import that purchase into Xero. And that kind of takes out that step of having to go into your bank account, download the CSV, manually import it, and all that jazz. Kind of like you have to when you're doing the Excel method that we talked about earlier. So that's the dashboard and connecting your bank account. The first steps, very vital.